Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. We're going to Taif with Tito Jimboy and family and Tito Art. Tito Art is there, oh, and Nati Ann. Yes, unplanned after the camp, we are go straight to Taif. It's going to be our first time to visit Taif. Ano? May pa-soft drink si ano? Ano na to? Energy drink si para Jimboy. So finally, makakapunta na rin kami sa Taif. Ayan. Ate, shout out! Kuya Art, shout out!
Si Jimboy nandun.
Ayan, si Jimboy nandun eh. Mamaya natin kausapin. Yun. So mag-drive kami papuntang Taif. Unfortunately, hindi kami pinapasok dun sa gate ng Maka kasi papuntang Maka. So dinivert kami dito sa non-Muslim, which is okay. It will add up another 40 minutes, sabi nila, doon from Jeddah to Taif. That's good. We're not on a rush, so we're just gonna cruise around. Alright?
grow cold? Will we trace the same old feelings or let them fold? If the lights fade, if the road bends wrong, would you stay here in the silence till the fear is gone? Every second heavy like it's hard to breathe. All these unanswered moments hanging over me. Lower sign, let it go when the ground is shaking underneath us. Lose the fight, feel it slow. All I want is someone to lean on. Hands collide, hearts exposed when the world's pulling us apart now. Through the noise, through it all I want is someone to lean on. Someone to lean on. Someone to lean on. Someone to lean on.
Happy Valentine's, Bray! Yeah! Grabe, ang ganda dito! Air up there! Wow! Here, Kuya Art ang lead namin. Muntik na kami maduwal.
Bakit?
Ang ganda kaya ako, sabi ko kay nasa ibabaw na tayo ng ulap. Lamig, 22 degrees. Oh, tulog. Ayan,
Ibang doon pa tayo ng galing.
titibay na mga jitor, oh. Oh.
Pwede sa puyatan, pwede sa buhangin, pwede sa bundok.
Pwede sa akyatan, no?
Sa dagat kaya ito, pre.
Tignan natin, testingin natin. Grabe ka, oy, oy. Lamig. Han, baba ka, lamig. It's cold. It's cold. Car. Go there to mama. Nice. Woo, so nice. Si Kuya Art Ventures ang natin ngayon, ang lead natin ha. Malapit nang maduwal si Jaja kaya sabi ko pahinga muna tayo. It's cold out here. From 36 degrees down to 22. Siguro magbababa pa yon. Ayan, tuwan-tuwa. Tuwan-tuwa ang mga ano. Tuwan-tuwa ang mga batutings. Ang mga batutings, tuwan-tuwa. Wow, ayan si ano, madam. Oh. Don't come here. There's a car. Woo! What an adventure. Ang sinisilip-silip mo dyan, pre? Mataas na to? Ayan o. Yeah, wait. I'm passing by. Passing by. Yeah ba? Passing by. Yeah.
Are we going up or down?
Going down now. Yeah, finally. I think this is already Taif. I can see houses now.
Oh wow! I can see bear.
You see monkey? No. You will see a monkey later.
We just saw
Pine tree. Ganda? Ganda pala ito. Welcome to Taif. Oh, there's a baboon. Look. Come on, come on, come on. I saw a baboon crossing by. Oh no.
Wow! It's so good. High low.
Oh, this is becoming steeper.
Paano pag may kasalubong?
How you going at top?
Dito yata yung may babunhan.
Oh.
OMG. Guys, we're on the top. We're on the top, guys.
Aso.
Yee! We're on the top. Okay, we just reached. Calm down, guys. We are now in Taif. Come on, come on. Come down over here. Hey, Kuya, come down. It's cold. Wow. Wow. It's cold. It's cold, right? Nice one, Kuya Art. Nice one. Let's go out over there.
Let's go up there, up. Dito
Wow.
kayo daan, bro. Dito kayo daan.
Ha? May akyat dyan? May daan dyan?
Oh, may daan dyan.
Guys, come here. Pwede dyan? Natalia, Samantha, come on. We're gonna go up there. Come on, hold Papa. I will hold Koiko. Go up. Yes, you can. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come out here. Ah, no, no, no. Samantha, no. Go to dito, Art. This side, this side.
There's so much beetles here.
Oh, wow. Right?
It's so, I want pizza.
It's cold, guys. It's cold over here. We reached the top of Taif. Oh, it's cold. Okay, we're going up. This is our first time here in Taif. And Kuya Art bring us here in this place. Mataas. Be careful, guys. You have to be careful. Okay, this is the highest place here. Oh, it's cold, hand. Not feeling cold. Maganda yung weather, no? Can I see your jacket, anak? Wow, it's Camp and Drive. Nice. I like it. Come, we'll take a photo. Yay! It's windy. It's windy. Is it cold, guys?
Yes.
It's nice. You like it here?
Yes.
You like it here?
Yeah, it's cold.
Okay, I'll take photo now. That's nice. It's cool. Pretty good. Nangyari yan. May kausap si manager, oh. May kausap si manager.
Mas mafi sila.
May kausap si manager, okay, magulo. I-shoutout mo yung kumpare natin isa. Ha?
Yung sticker mo, Camp&Drive.
Meron, may dala ako dyan.
Meron?
Tignan mo, quality to. Isang taon na to. Hindi yan nag-fade, pre. Gold dyan, ako lang gumagawa dyan. Ano yan? Certified Camp and Drive, oh. Ayan na. Sigurado ka.
Shoutout parang Bio.
Nauna. Oh, nauna.
Di masadya. Nagtanong lang ako meron siya.
Nauna.
Yung kay kuya.
Siyempre, hindi ka mawawalan.
Kompleto naman yata. Ayun eh.
Certified Camp and Drive, Jedi Edition.
Thank you.
Ayan, Jedi Edition.
Bibigyan niyo talaga tayo. Naunahan ko lang na nagtanong.
Patingin yan, ano yung hawak mo? Camp and Drive, yeah ba? Sasakyan. Oh, buying ice cream? Tita will treat you ice cream? You buying them ice cream, man? Yes. Oh, it's a cool ice cream. Ano, nakapag-decide na ba kayo kung saan nyo lalagay?
Ito na nga, tinanong ko siya.
Oo.
Dapat parehas tayo. Sabi niya, hindi, unahin mo yung sa'yo para makapag-decide daw siya kung maganda.
May dashcam ka kasi, okay. Kung ako tatanungin mo dito malinis.
Diyan?
It's up to you either sa kabilang side or bahala ka.
Diyan na. Kasi bakit? May tito eh. Tito tapos tito.
Tita.
Tito.
Oh,
Tito niya.
dito na. Ayun sige. Cherry blossom. We are down to the city and we are going to eat our lunch. What time is it? It's 1:38 in the afternoon.
Mom, Papa, after we're eating lunch, where we go?
Maghanap daw kami ng kakainan. Ayun, binentahan si Kuya Art ng...
Ako din! Anak, give me.
Binentahan ng corona. Nakikipagtawaran yung bata. Can you give it to Mama, please?
I like this.
Oh, can I see, Han? Can I see? Nice. Nabudol si Kuya Art pero okay lang yan. Oh. So yeah, we're here. Looks like they have mandi here. Come on, Han! Nagbabayaran na. Basta daw lahat. Lahat daw, Han. Lahat. Babayaran mo raw lahat. Tingnan natin yung kakainin namin ngayon, guys. Wow! Laham, mandiyan. Aywa. Nice! Aywa!
Pag-uwi natin na isang baliting kanin.
Isang sako daw ba yung kanin? Ang bira. Koish. Where is it yours?
Mama, I gave it to
Where's yours? So cute. So pretty. Can I see, Natalia? Can I see it? Ah, it's nice. Hey. Anong binabantayan mo dyan, Brad? Eh, wah. Ay, artista, nagpa-picture sa'yo. Ayos. Kuwesh. Kuwesh daw.
Pinapantayan ko, pre.
Ha?
Pinapantayan ko. Mapatalo sa presyo.
Binarat mo na nga eh.
Ayun na, oh.
Yung bitokano.
Pinakyaw mo eh.
Wow. Kaso, wala, hindi hindi nakatarya, no?
Padali. Wala na. Kung meron pa. Yung point ba? Hindi ba natin kasama yung point?
Ah,
Ay, wakal.
ayun na, oh. Oh, man. Wait lang, bro.
Go out, wow!
Moya.
Oh, my goodness.
Anak ka lang, makita mo yung Mia.
Kakita yun, apat yun, ha? Aywa, okay na. Alright, here. Here comes the feast. Oh.
Para lang eh, napunta tayo pa.
Oh, di ba? Nag-desert kayo, di ba? Napunta kayong Taif. Oh. Pwesto na. Grabe naman yung line-up nyo dyan. Grabe naman yan. Laban. Oh.
Yogurt.
Kain na.
Tani.
Grabe yan. Tikman natin kung masarap yung sinasabi ni Jimboy. Blanco. Grabe naman yung lunch nyo, Brad. Sarap ba?
What is this, Dad?
Ganyan kumain ito.
Nanalo. Ate Ann, how's your dinner? How's your lunch? Delicious.
Ba't ganun nakaumbok?
Eat. Wow, it's delicious. The aftermath. Hindi natibag ni Jimboy. Mahina. Hindi natibag. Ano? Sarap? Han? Sarap? Kayo lang kumain. Hindi ka kumain. Hindi ka kumain. Ay, mama, oh, mama, mama. Ay, Jay. Ay, Jay. Ito naman, oh.
No! Yes. Look, Papa, look.
Oh, there's there's a donkey.
Donkey is that. Oh, you want to buy? Wait, Papa.
There's horses. This is, I don't know what to call it.
Oh,
I think it's a donkey.
look,
And it's a donkey yan, no?
look.
Oo, donkey yan.
Nice.
Donkey, camel, meron ano.
Ang ganda pala nito, may viewpoint.
What?
Oh.
Hi, looks like we're in the space.
Dapat nagpicture tayo sa tayo.
Mamaya, mainit pa. It's a horse. It's a horse.
It's chasing the car.
There's a horse. Scrolling. Lapit, punta pa ako. Wow, ang ganda.
Hindi tayo pwede mag- Pwede tayo mag-
Kuya Art, line up tayo dito, tapos picture tayo. Nice, too many. Whoa. Han, magkano? Kalas. Ashra?
Ayun.
Ashra. Ayun anak mo. Hey, look at you. Oh my goodness. Han, how's it?
Camel!
Huh?
Camel!
Hala, kalas. Bas, kalas. Lala, kalas. On. Kalas.
Kalas?
Ah, kalas. Kalas. Let's see the baboon. Don't come closer. The baboon. Oh my goodness. They're just chilling out.
Oh, they're vicious.
They're just chilling out. Look at that.
Don't go too close, though. Grab me.
Yeah, he's coming.
That's the leader, that one.
They're aggressive or what?
That one, yeah, it can be.
Oh my goodness. Oh, he's coming. It was fun over here. Come on, Natalia. Samantha, let's go. We saw the baboons already. So we're gonna go to see our next place. You need to go there and see it.
What?
You need to go there and see it, but don't come closer, okay? They're very aggressive. Baka kagatin yung pisngin nito. Baka kagatin ng baboy yung pisngin mo. Ay, lintita na pisngin na yan. Okay. Ayan. Close, close. Oh, look at the small dog. Dogs are everywhere here. See? Look at the small dog. It's a nice place, right? This is a viewpoint. It's like Tagaytay. It's like Tagaytay. So we're gonna go to our next destination. I don't know where. We're just gonna follow
Tito Art.
Tito Art, okay?
Art or Arc?
Tito Arthur. Right. Did you have fun there?
Yeah.
Who rides on the horse? Samsa.
Samsa may mama.
Yeah.
What about Natna?
I rode a donkey.
Why donkey?
He
She wants a small donkey.
No, he's telling me to ride on the donkey.
Who?
No, I think you just scared ka.
No!
Okay. Mama is so brave. She took the big horse. It was nice here and
I'm scared.
kakaiba sa paningin. There's a lot of activities going on
Talaga
here.
dapat. Kasama buti yung kasama sila Kuya R, sila Julie, at least natutulog na tayo.
Yes.
Hindi na tayo maghahanap pa.
That's good. Ew. What is the next stop? We don't know. Look at no. Ganda ng kalsada. Ganda rin dito. What is this place? There's a lot of horses again. Yes, rock formations. Pero malinis dito, walang basura. Oh, ganda. Natural yan, no?
Saan ka papunta ba? Iba pa balik?
Wow, ayan na, naglaro na yung mga bata. Andito kami sa Rudolph Park. Ayan, Rudolph Park. Ganda dito. It reminds me of Han, it reminds me of ano yung park na pinupuntahan natin? Sabil Park. Sabil and Creek Park.
I'll put my phone here, okay?
Alrighty.
I'll put my phone here, okay?
Ay, pinalakad na. Ayaw. Oh. Ayaw, nandidire.
Try muna namin damo kasi puro buhangin na eh. Iba pala, iba din pala.
Iba pala, no? Doon tayo sa sulok. Ayaw. Ayaw. Don't like?
Touch.
Ayaw. Ang pira kang bata ka. Wow. Masarap pala sa puno, pre. Ay, oo nga, no? Dito na. Buksan mo na yung bote.
Hindi, wala.
Wala pala. Sorry. Sorry.
Saan ba kulong tayo?
Sorry.
Ay, gusto talaga niya.
Mahulog talaga.
Malambot yan.
Ninong, hindi ka hihiga. Ako lang. Di ba?
Doon ka sa kabila, anak.
Oh, so good
Nagdadya si
here.
Tito, si Ninong.
Meron mga bata doon naglalaro. This is the life.
Opo, may mobile allowance.
Was that good?
Nakabuka pa, oh. Tingnan mo, nakabuka.
We're just gonna rest here for maybe an hour and then we're going back to Jeddah.
Piyawin niya ako.
Koy! Ano, Koy? Damo naman, oh.
Kasi dito natin dati, kapihan lang yung doon.
Lalaba ko pa.
Through the park. And, si Koy, ayun na. Magabangan niya sa damuhan. Ayan o. Nakatulog kami ng isang oras din yun sa damuhan Pauwi na kami. Sarap. Dumami na yung tao. Okay. Dumami na yung tao. Oh, you're buying again? Lumampot ka no? Natatapon lang naman.
Obisian ba yan? Obisian?
Tinatapon lang naman oh. Hindi, wag marami syempre. Alrighty, heading back to Jeddah. We're heading back to Jeddah and we're gonna have McDonald's before heading back to Jeddah. Thank you very much for watching. Mama, can you come here?
Yeah.
See? Camp and Drive family. Andun yung mga kasama natin sila, Ate Ann, Kuya Art. Thank you for touring us today and Jimboy and family. Ayan. Thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video.